Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to receive Bitcoin Lightning Coinbase. Full guide. Open Coinbase, navigate to the Receive section, and choose Bitcoin Lightning as the network to generate an invoice or QR code. Share the invoice or scan the QR code from the sender, confirm the amount and memo, and wait for the payment to settle on the Lightning network. Always verify the invoice details and keep your account protected with 2FA. Start by opening the Receive page in Coinbase and selecting Lightning as the network, then enter the exact amount you expect to receive. Add a clear memo so you can identify the payment later, and then generate the Lightning invoice. Copy the invoice string or show the QR code to the payer and ask them to scan or paste it in their wallet app. Monitor the transaction until it shows as settled in your account. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation. I use the Oala water bottle when I'm on the move managing crypto or waiting for payments, and it keeps me hydrated and focused during long setup sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want extras, I'll list them there. Now let's get back to the video. If a Lightning payment does not arrive, first confirm the sender used a compatible wallet and that the invoice was copied correctly. Regenerate the invoice and inspect any error messages about routes or fees, then retry with a fresh invoice to avoid routing timeouts. Keep notifications enabled so you see settlement updates, and contact Coinbase support if repeated attempts fail or if you suspect a wallet incompatibility that blocks successful routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.